What's going on, guys? My name is Gage, and I'm gonna be showing you my or do a demonstrating video about my padlocks, because I collect all these padlocks. So let's get into this video, so guys. The lock we're gonna start off with the silver one, and right here it takes a key to reset or to unlock it, which is got a nice set of keys. And it's and it takes this key to reset, so you just pop it in here. Hold on. Nice. Alright, so we got the padlock unlocked. And there's something, and this lock is kind of broken. Because once it's locked, you have to turn the key, then pull it open like that. Or no, you don't. Yes. So this lock is opened, and then I want to lock it back. There it goes. And the next lock, I've seen these padlocks around. This is an adjustable padlock. So how this works, this black key goes to this lock. So you pop this key in here. Pop it. And this is how the lock works on. Using my stick. Let's move everything out of the way. Oops. Yeah, we might. Okay, we might want. Alright, right here on this padlock, you take the key. You take the key, twist it. Alright. And now this is what it looks like. It's an adjustable padlock, so you might want to lock it back. That's a really good lock. And on the third lock, it's a combo padlock. Just the password in the back. So to unlock it, you have to enter the code like this. So on the back of it, you have to follow. It says to open. Oh, it is 130215. And keep turning, and you stop by 13. I want to stop by number 2, and then stop at 15. And voila, it pops open. And now, and if you hold on. Alright guys, so if you lock it, you have to put the code back in. Alright guys, let's lock. Alright guys, this is an older padlock. Again, it has the key on the bottom, and it takes, and I'm gonna show you this. Okay, so on this padlock, got the keys. And right here, it takes the key to unlock it. like that, but it takes a key to relock it. You twist the key. Hold up. You twist the key and remove it. And then put the key back. Alright guys, so that's gonna do a video. Goodbye guys. Peace out.